Hey guys, would you like to learn to decorate your own accessories with these intricate and colorful patterns? So come with me. Hello guys, my name is Helen and welcome to another video of Expression the DIY channel. Remember guys that last week we were talking about Peruvian folk art, but what is folk art?
Folk art is a way to express a cultural identity created by a community where they put in practice the traditional techniques learned from their own community. Folk art encompasses a range of utilitarian and decorative media, including cloth, wood, paper, clay, metal, and more, where it's reflected their own life, tradition, history, and their own identity.
But Peru is not the only one with folk art. Every single country of the world has their own folk art, with different patterns, different colors. So in order to create this type of designs, we need certain elements. So let's check them out.
As you can see, every country has their own identity that make the difference between each other. But if you pay attention to every single design, there's certain similarity in the patterns, like the flowers, leaves, animals, or even tribal patterns. In most of the folk art designs, we will find different types of flower, leaves, animals, tangles, or even tribal patterns. So let's check every single element. Let's go with flowers first. Exist 1,000 types of flowers around the world. Big ones, small ones, different colors, so you have a great variety of flowers and roses to get inspired. Let's go with leaves. There are different ways to draw leaves, individuals or in branches, and in different styles. Pointing leaf or leaf with a heart shape, could be tropical leaves for summer, or winter leaves for Christmas, different sizes, long ones or even small ones. Let's go with animals. Most of the folk art designs use birds, like doves, roosters, or even a chicken. However, there are countries which they want to make the difference, using birds, fox, tigers, or even create their own creatures. Like Mexico, they have their own alebrijes. Let's go with tangles, tribal patterns, and others. If you realize, most of the designs have tangles or intricate patterns added in certain spaces not to saturate the design with the same patterns. These patterns can be drawn in certain spaces like empty spaces, or in corners, around the animals like the birds, or around the flowers.
So now that you know more about these elements, are you ready to create? Let's go! Today I bring you a new idea, how to decorate your own glasses case. Yes, I know, I already have a video about decorating a glasses case. By the way, if you haven't watched it, just go and check it out after this video. But yeah guys, I have few glasses cases that need to be decorated, so let's go and watch it.
For this DIY we will need a glasses case, any that you have at home, a piece of paper to make the template of our folk art design. Once we have the glasses case cut out ready, we're gonna fold it in half to divide our work area. So we're gonna draw only one side of the template. The other side designed will be duplicated using the carbon paper. So let's start to create our folk art design. I'm gonna use a little bit of the other side to draw the main image in the middle. It's gonna be a big flower. Then I'm gonna draw 2 leaves in each side, but I'm gonna draw only 2 leaves because the other side is gonna be printed by the carbon paper. In a diagonal direction, I'm gonna draw a branch that will end up with a flower. Then fill it up with pointing leaves. Then in the other branch I'm gonna do a different flower with one leaf and one tangle. In the corner I'm gonna do a small flower around 2 leaves. I'm gonna draw 3 filaments coming out from the main flower to make it different from the rest. On top of the main flower I'm gonna draw a small flower, then tangle brushes coming up from the flower. Now let's draw the animals that will be part of the main image. 2 birds. Let's draw fruit branches to make it different from the rest. To fill the blank spaces, let's draw tangled branches and flowers. And our sketch design is ready. Now it's time to use the carbon paper to duplicate our FolkArt design. Now that our design is printed in the other side, we will use any black marker or permanent marker to contour the image and can be seen in the back side. Once we have the template design ready, it's time to stick it on the glasses case. I recommend you to use the tape all around the glasses case so the template doesn't move. We will need a pen without ink or an old tool to emboss our design on the case. Once our design is on the case, we are ready to use our Posca collection. We will use the 3M soft color set and 5M neon pink. Don't forget to shake the marker before using. And our colorful glasses case is ready.
Now that you know more about this folk art, do you feel ready and crafted to make your own designs to decorate your own accessories? Well guys, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, give it a thumb up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos about art and craft. show the video to your friends, comment below, and tag somebody if you want, so more people can be part of this art community. Have a wonderful day and see you next time. Bye.